Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this original large 8-quart crock-pot. I'm not going to go into all the specs and details of this crock-pot because you can just read that off a piece of paper. Instead, what I want to show you here is the unboxing experience and my first impression of this crock-pot. At the time of this video, we've already cooked a couple of dishes using this crock-pot and it has been working out great so far, and the meals came out very delicious. So let's go ahead and cut up the tape and pull out the crock-pot. It's nicely packaged with this hard foam. The lid is protected with this plastic bag to keep it from scratches. Let's go ahead and set that to the side and take out the ceramic pot. It does feel heavy and has a nice gloss finish to it. I'll go ahead and remove the cardboard and protective plastic that's covering the bottom pot. It is substantially lighter than the ceramic pot, so let's place it back into the pot and cover it with the lid. My overall first impression of this pot is that it is very nicely built. Once you put all the pieces together, it feels heavy and sturdy. It does have rubber legs to prevent shifting or sliding on the counter. The power cord is just the right length as well, not too long or too short. The handle feels firm and does not have any play, and the brushed stainless steel does help to elevate the overall aesthetic of this pot. The lid has a good weight to it and the buttons feel satisfying to press. Overall, I think this is a very beautifully designed crock pot that should belong in any kitchen.